Welcome YouTube to our weekly Forex breakdown. Hope you guys are okay. We're now in February, the first month. You know we're 7% of the way through 2024 already. Just a nice little depressing fact. You guys need to hurry up, get rich. So do I, to be honest. But yeah, 7%. That's mental. And it's been a month already. Oh no! One sec.
Okay, we're now in.
Oh, sorry, YouTube. There you go, YouTube. Sorry, the YouTube is echoey. Like, super echoey. 1 second. Let me just quickly change this. Voice and video output as chat. Okay. 1 sec. I'll fix it for you guys. Audio input. Put it as chat. Right. Hello. Think it's still. Okay, that's really weird. For some weird reason, I do not know how to fix that at all. Well, I think the Discord are going to be able to hear the nice, lovely lo-fi music, but the YouTube crew sucks to be you guys, because I don't think you guys are going to be able to hear the lo-fi music, which is unfortunate. I don't know why it worked on the backtesting session the other day, but it didn't work on this one. I'm going to... Let me just change something real quick to YouTube. It's going to look stupid, and so does for the Discord as well, but just for 1 second. Hello. Why does this work? Look, see how there's no... Oh, wait, you guys can't actually see that. Only I can see it. Right, just chill for a second. You guys have to stay on the side for a second, okay? We could make this work, to be fair. Okay, right. You know what we can do? We can make this work. 1 sec. Properties. No. Transform. Okay, right. We're going to refix this. Watch this. Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little display capture. And we fixed it. Right, perfect. Let me just make sure that's an okay size. Yeah, okay, right. We're fixed. Beautiful. Okay, we're ready to go. Let me just post this link out to the Discords, and then we are good to get going. Post. Welcome to the people in the YouTube who are already in, which is pretty crazy, because normally I have to post it in like the Discords and stuff, and then people will hop into YouTube, but by the looks of it, people are already hopping in, which is pretty damn cool. I don't normally get like many people in the YouTube until I actually post it. I'm just going to double check that it's all good, and then we'll get cracking. Okay, yeah, it is. Beautiful. Right, sounds good. Let's get into the lovely analysis. So, I just went full screen on YouTube. Fuck. Chat open. Ready to go. All the guys in the Discords, feel free to whack in setups, questions, anything. Literally anything you want me to go over, and I'll happily go over it. And the same for you guys on YouTube. So yeah, we took one trade last week, took an L, which is completely fine. First day of February, we started off with an L. Whoopie-doo. We finished January up though, so that was pretty nice. I know some of you guys finished 2 trades up technically, because one of them did hit take profit, but it took me out as break even, which was a bit of a bummer. So January was a nice, good, it's a good month. February, we started off a bit rough, but it's a really weird one. I've completely forgot what trade I took again. We're on set, let me find it. Wait, oh, is this one? Yeah, it's AJ. Okay, so I took a trade from this level, the 38 level, which was, I mean, a nice trade. Let me make myself a bit smaller. There we go. It was a nice trade with fib of the move up. We had this level here. The main levels we were looking at really were, let's have a look. There was a few levels on this move up, and the main ones were that. You had that, and you had that. Those are the 3 levels. Yes, this one lined up with a 50, but that 38 one, I think, was a little bit nicer. Mainly because of this wick rejection and the fact that it actually lined up with a fib. So this was the main level I was interested in. We did have flows in place, so there was a lot of Aussie dollar movement. As you can see, if we play it forward, you'll see Aussie dollar took an absolute dump. Wait for it. and there's the dump. So we had that initial dump, which of course, if price, did that straight into my level, I probably wouldn't have taken it because this was happening across the board, every single Aussie dollar pair. And this was on the back of some data that released. I can't remember what it was. But then as you can see, it chilled out. It completely chilled out. I thought flows were over. It was all good. Well, I'm guessing they were because, if flows weren't over, it just would have continued down, but it consolidated for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours and then pushed into the level. So that is a super safe trade for me. That's chilling. It missed by, 11 and did 22. So that's still fine. And it just dumped, absolutely dumped, which was a bit of a shocker. And then as you can see, this lower level also got smashed. It rejected eventually, but yeah, that was a definite stop loss. And then it decided to work. So, the probability of it smashing 2 daily levels in a row without a single pullback is very, very rare. So I'm not too fussed. I followed my plan. I took the trade. I checked for flows. Flows weren't occurring. Took the trade. Failed. That's it. You can't really do anything about that, really. But then on top of that, we did have Aussie CAD straight after. Yeah, Aussie CAD, which was this level here. And it was the fib of the move up. For the guys on YouTube, I'll answer the questions in 2 seconds. Let me quickly explain this trade. So it was this fib up. And as you can see, the 61 lined up pretty nicely with this level. First of all, the level was a little bit iffy because this was made during market open. So market closed here and opened at the level, which still classes as a level. It's just a bit of a weird one, to be honest. But I was still completely happy with taking it. But the only reason as you can see, it worked a fucking treat. The only reason I didn't take it, which we would have actually made our gains back as well, is because we took that loss on the Aussie dollar JPY. Was it AJ? Yeah, it was AJ. And I think that sort of put me off. This was a nice trade, but I think the fact that I took a loss on the same day and it was on an Aussie pair, I don't think I was really willing to go for a second Aussie pair. Because I knew, let's say at the end of the day, if this trade went tits up and we took this as a follow-up trade, when reviewing my day, okay, I took a trade on Aussie dollar JPY, took a loss, and then I took another trade on Aussie dollar, even though the previous Aussie dollar smashed 2 levels. I would have kicked off at myself if that happened. If I took 2 losses on Aussie dollar pairs, when in the morning I took a loss because it fucking smashed my levels. So yeah, it worked. Nice setup, but I think I made the right decision. Yeah, like you said, Libby. I would have been very, very annoyed at myself if I took 2 Aussie dollar pairs and both of them failed. That would have been very silly. Silly? Yeah, silly. Yeah, it worked nicely. So if you guys did take that, the take profit was pretty nice as well. It was just a break and retest. So, entries, let's say in the middle of the zone, minimum 40 pips. It's like a 1 to 1.3, 1.4. I know some people did take that, so fair play. And apart from that, I don't think there was much else that tapped this week. We had the break and retest of that, which worked. The Confluence file, which I did used to post every single week, that is coming back this week. I just didn't post it for a few weeks because it was January and it was slow as hell. And there wasn't much movement, to be honest, so I just took a bit of a chill. But that is coming back, and if you guys don't know what that is, I'm just trying to get it right now. 1 second. Where is it? Is that it? No. Here we go. This is the Confluence file. So it's basically weekly. I'll post the trades I'm looking at. It's only the fib trades because I can't really show the ATR trades, but these are all like the different fib levels I'm looking at. And at the end, it has the Confluence file link. You click this, go to the sheet. And this is literally every single level I'm looking at. And it automatically updates, the current price updates. The strength is based on how strong I think that level is it like a swing level or a shitty little level. Distance, this automatically updates, and so does this. So these are all automatic, and it goes red when it's within 50 pips, and it goes orange when it's within 100 pips. So it's pretty fucking cool. And then it also tells you which trades are close. And then this also gets updated. Which hasn't been updated in a while, as you can see. But yeah, we need to update that. and that'll be happening this week. So stay tuned for that. And I post that in like all the Discords I'm in. So wherever you guys are watching this from, it'll get posted. On what pairs do you trade? I trade pretty much every single Forex pair. There's just a few I don't trade. Just like because they move so slow. Like Euro GBP, the odd Swiss pair. Welcome Easy. Hope you're okay, man. Do you use Forex Factory? Yes, I use Forex Factory for all my fundamental stuff. I just realized that the music has stopped. Wayfam, you little bastard. You use /stop. Wayfam, just turn it down, mute it. Yeah, you just had to mute it, that's all. It's for this and the YouTube. Just put it on mute or literally just right click, turn it down or click mute. Yeah, it's just easy for the Discord people. And it sounds nice for the YouTube dudes. Pound CAD, yeah, I'll go for it now. About to start. Let's go. Let's get cracking. I can't join tonight with IRL things going on. All good, JJ. He's not even in here anyway. Okay, he was just messaging. Okay, never mind. Right, let's get to it. So, pound Aussie dollar, what do we have? We have a little level that's been created, which would I be willing to take a trade from? Probably not right away. Give it one more candle push, and yeah, sure, we'll go for it. But for now, I'm probably not willing to go for that. It might not even line up with fib, to be fair. Yeah, it doesn't even line up. So we need to push to like all the way up here for this to be a valid fib trade. I see pound CAD backtesting 1.705 level, and I want to see a retrace entry. Okay, we'll go over that in a sec. Wish I was an Excel wizard like you. I've sort of taken a pause on it. The Excel, no, the market isn't open. It opens at 10 o'clock in like 2 hours. Yeah, I've taken a pause on the Excel because I've gotten a few guys who are basically building a website for me, which they're taking their time, I will say that. So I may have gotten another person who's going to be doing it for me. I'll see how the other people do. But anyway, the website, a new website is being built for MCR Trading. And on that website, there's going to be an extra little section, which you guys can get your own unique login. And the journal will be put onto the website. So it'll be all like, do you know how you have a, what is it? TradeZeller? TradeZeller, like how they do it, for example. Like this, where you log in and you can do your back testing, and well, you can't do your back testing on it, but you record your trades and it comes up with all the different statistics and stuff like that. It's going to be similar to this, but for completely free on the MCR Trading website. So we've already got the website, but it's just, obviously, this is the old website. This isn't a new one. Still pretty nice, to be fair, but yeah, it's going to be updated and made to look a lot nicer. But yeah, it'll be like a little login section. You guys get your own login. It'll save your trades and you can see all the statistics, and it'll look exactly like my Excel document. Plus, another little feature, what we're trying to do is the ability to log in to your MT4, your MT5, your C Trader, and it automatically plugs in all your trade history onto the website. So you don't even have to journal your trades. It puts it in for you, and all the statistics, all the different pages, everything comes up. And it'll be like a little, like, you know, daily journal where you can write down like your feelings and stuff for like the feelings for the trades. That's a bit weird. But you know, your emotions and stuff throughout the trade, and it'll be like a little list and stuff. But yeah, that will be very cool. So obviously that's a lot of work, but it's getting worked on right now. So rather than you guys getting the Excel document, you'll have completely free access via the website, which will be pretty damn cool. It might cost me quite a bit of money for someone to make that, but it'd be pretty cool. Come on, which, you know, how many other communities have something like that, or any other content creators, you know, or mentors have something that fucking cool, and for free, by the way, completely free. So yeah, there's nothing there on that anyway. No, not on the website right now. Soon. For sure, by the way. Okay, yeah, we'll look at this. Pound CAD 1.705. 705. 705. Use back testing the 705. I want to see a retrace entry. I don't know probably what you mean, to be honest, or where. I don't really see a level there. All I'm seeing right now is literally just these two levels. If I had enough skill on web dev, I would have done it for you for very low money. I mean, if you want to learn, go for it, and I'll happily pay you and let you do it, because I don't want to pay someone a ridiculous amount. I'm a bit of a cheapskate. I don't like spending money. Everyone in YouTube right now, feel free to drop a like. That sounds very, very forced, doesn't it? But, you know, feel free to drop a like. No pressure. Can you explain liquidity? I mean, the way I trade liquidity is completely different to... I mean, everyone has a different opinion on what liquidity exactly is and how you trade liquidity. But the way I see liquidity is just pockets, areas within the market where there's a high volume of orders. And buy orders, that can be stop losses, take profits, entries, limits, buy stops, sell stops, all that stuff. And those little pockets where there's a high volume of those, that's what I see as liquidity. And that's what I'm doing when I'm trading levels, is I'm trading levels with high levels of volatility. I'm trading levels that have high levels of liquidity. No, that doesn't make sense. You get what I'm trying to say. But like, you know, if you, let's say this level up here, think of the amount of take profits, stop losses, orders in this level compared to there. Like if you was in a sell position, a long-term sell position, where you putting your stop loss? Of course, above the highs. If you're in a buy position right now, where are you putting your take profit? Of course, at the highs. If you're looking for sells, where are you looking to enter? At the high. These big strong daily levels, this is where all I can't, oh my god, I can't say that. It's like a tongue twister. It's where all the liquidity is. Jesus, that was a difficult one. If that makes sense. Hopefully that made a bit of sense. Yeah, it didn't really sound like it, but hopefully it did. I trade volume, bro. Oh, okay, that's fair. So yeah. Anyway, pound card, this level down here, I don't have anything else. This could... No, it couldn't even be a level. No. Pound Swiss, what do we have? That is an invalid level now. Not even looking at that because it was very close to getting tapped. This is a new level. Fib doesn't line up. So we just have those three levels. Very, very boring price action on pound pairs at the minute. Nothing there. GJ, that was back testing. I was looking for a break and retest of that, but... Yeah, this could be a really nice level on GJ that has been formed, so we'll see how that works out. And then you've got the high up here, which I'm not massively keen on, but I mean, I guess it is a level. So you got that, and then, I mean, this is a pretty crazy level. Just this over here in general, really. That zone there is pretty humongous. So that could be of interest, but I wouldn't really be willing to take a trade off of that. And then you have the low down here, and you also have the break and retest. But anyway, the main ones, you got this one and this one. Let's see if that lines up with Fib, because that could be a decent trade if it pushes a bit higher. Just below, which is very annoying, so that wouldn't really be valid. Leon say she sells seashells by the seashore. Boom. Smashed it, mate. Liquidity. I just can't say liquidity. Liquidity. Easy. What's this? Pound NZD. I'm not looking at that level just because it got very, very close. I mean, technically did reject off the level, as you can see. So this is a new area we could look at. Would I be willing to take a trade off of it right now if it pushed up? Again, not really. However, I don't know. I think I'm biased. I'm biased to buys over sells. I don't like entering sell positions that look like this. I mean, I don't really like... I prefer the intra levels, to be honest. So I prefer taking these levels. I don't really like taking like the swingy type levels. Like if that pushed up and then came back down to this level, I'd much rather take that trade over, let's say a high was formed over here, than that one. I mean, this isn't really, I don't know. You got different types of levels because this is more, you know, a double top. I'd much rather than taking that trade, I'd much rather wait for price, come back down and enter the buy. I don't know. It's a weird one. It's a really, really weird one. I don't know. I think that's just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Because, yeah, if this came to highs now and rejected off of that, I'd be willing to take that buy. But I wouldn't be willing to take that sell right now. Super weird. I don't know. I don't know why. Tapped 3 times and made a small move. Yeah, that is true. That is also true. It's been tapped once, twice, 3, 4 times. And yeah, gave a little farty move compared to that one, and of course the big one. Also, I have I've stuck to the promise of uploading a weekly YouTube video. However, the video was gonna get uploaded today. It's a full video on how to identify strong levels. I'll give you guys a little preview because why not? However, I'm uploading it in 4K, and it's basically taken quite a while to upload. So sorry. Oh god. Oh. Here's my beautiful, lovely face, as you can see, and we go over levels and how to draw them and all that stuff. I also added. Look how cool this is, by the way. Look how cool this little overlay thing is. I was so proud of this. 1 second. Wait. Oh my god, look at that. That is sexy. Come on. Oh, you guys can't. Let me just get rid of my face cam. Did you look how cool that is? I have like loads of different ones for like Discord, Twitter. Oh my god, that's pretty cool. I was so happy with that. And then here's the Discord one, just in case you guys care at all. Wait for it. Come on, that is pretty cool. It took me so long to do. But yeah, that is coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that one. Slowly, after what, probably a month or 2, we should have a full literally playlist of absolutely everything. Everything to do with the strategy. So the next videos, we've done full strategy breakdown. Next one, we're going over levels, which will be released obviously tomorrow. Then we have fib, ATR, and that's the main stuff done. Then we'll do we do take profits and entries in one? Yeah, we'll do that in one. Take profits and entries in one. And then the next one will be like flows and how to use flows, alignment and how to look for alignment. And then after that, it's more just like psychology stuff, which will still be pretty fun. Yeah. Right, so yeah, pound ends a D. We got the high potentially if you guys want to degen on that. It's still a completely valid level. Done a lot of pips and it's done all right, to be fair. We got this break and retest, which I am now willing to trade the break and retests. So if this lines up with fib, holy shit. Actually, no, I won't be willing to trade this one because we've sort of got this level just below. Just above, sorry. So no, I won't be willing to take that one. That's a bit of an annoying one. So yeah. I'm not too keen, but yeah, I'm gonna start taking break and retest from now on with half risk. GU looks like it could finally push down. We could actually see a trade, which is crazy. We've been waiting for this to set up for so long because GU has been stuck in some stupid range, 50 days, almost 2 months in this ridiculous little 170 range. So hopefully we finally see a breakout, a nice little rejection off of this, which will be nice. And that's all I have for GU. Let me just mark these out. Yeah, that's all we have. Carrying on. What's this? Euro Aussie. What do we have? We have that high, which is actually pretty nice. This has done a decent move, to be fair. Not super amazing, but yeah, it's done a good move. Does this line up with fib? We've got 2 fib options. We've got one from the high and this level. So let's see. I reckon it's going to be a 61 of this. Fuck. Okay, never mind. It's definitely not. A 50 of the big fib. Go on. Oh my god, it lines up with nothing. Okay. Well, I guess we're going to have to wait for an ATR, hopefully. If ATR doesn't line up, then that's going to be a bit of an L. So we can't maybe not trade that. But we do have this level, which has been created. This is a really nice level. And this is going to be a nice little 50 fib. Okay, no, it's not. It's close to the 61. We're going to have to break that. Okay, so yeah, we have 2 levels, but nothing we can really trade yet. So that's Euro Aussie. Euro CAD, super messy price action. I would be willing to take a trade off this level, finally. Just because it's finally broke these lows. Whilst it was in this range, I was not willing to trade it. But yeah, it's finally broke the lows now and broken out the range. So if we do see a retest into this level, I will happily go for it. And we probably see a nice little 38 fib. Okay, my predictions aren't the best. Almost. I think we're going to have to push a bit further down and do a 50, aren't we? You could technically use this fib as confidence as long as it, you know, doesn't tap it and rejects. So yeah, nothing really there. Euro Swiss, I'm probably not even willing to take a trade off that, to be honest. Actually, you know what? It did do 150. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, it's actually not too bad. Let's see. Does it line up? Ooh. We'll have to take it. It's, yeah, I know it's Euro Swiss, but that's a really, really nice level. Let me quickly mark that one out as a nice sell. So only decent trade we've found so far. Euro JPY, nice low created. We have multiple little levels. You got that, which I wouldn't be willing to trade. This I would be willing to trade as long as it pushes a little higher. Could be a really nice level. Which it does currently line up with that fib, 40 pips. And you do have this weird fib. I don't know, really weird fibs here. I wouldn't draw that one. Maybe that one, but this one's definitely okay. That one's a bit iffy. So this is probably one I'll be looking for, which, yeah, it lines up, but obviously it's a bit wide. So for now, nothing really here, but it does have potential. Euro NZD. This is a decent level. Does it line up with a fib? I doubt it. Holy smokes. Well, we've got a trade for this week. That is a pretty nice trade. How many pips has that done? 300 as well. Okay, this is a decent one. No psych level or anything. Nope. But that is a nice zone. So we have a potential sell on Euro NZD, which is pretty damn nice. And that could maybe... No, it couldn't. No, it definitely couldn't. Do we have like something else? So pound NZD highs we could see at the same time as this Euro NZD trade, which is the very basis of how alignment works. So that could be really nice. Decent, decent. Let me set this as a little alert. Let me set Euro Swiss as an alert. And also pound dollar. Let me set that as an alert. We'll whack that there. That's looking pretty nice. Have you back tested Euro NZD? I'm pretty sure I have. I didn't. It was awful for me. Okay, that boosts me with confidence. Great. That's not good. We'll give it a go. Why not? It can't be too bad. Just get a super safe entry. Like, super, super safe. This one's an annoying one. It's like 13 pips away. If we see ATR with this, of course, that'd be really nice. But yeah, USD looking nice for buys. I really hope we see an ATR with that, because otherwise that is a really nice level gone to waste. Yeah, let's carry on. And of course we have the high up there. And you technically, I mean, these are a bit iffy. I'd rather just not trade them at all, to be honest. Aussie dollar CAD, this one worked a treat. And now we have some interesting, well, I mean, just one really. That sell level on the way down, and then you have the high. The ATR on EA will move up to that level when the market opens, and it'll probably line up with EN. I can't see that. EN 61 fib. ATR on EA. 1 second. The ATR on EA move up to that level when the market opens. It will probably line up with EN fib and level. Let's have a look. EN fib. Oh shit, yeah, I didn't even see that. Yeah, in EN. But I'd much rather take EN just because of that fib. How big was that move? 320. EA was pretty much bang on the same. If we could see ATR as well line up with Euro NZD, that could be really nice, which I doubt it. But yeah, so we got EA, EN, and also GN alignment. That's really good. That is really nice. So we got a few setups then this week. We got Euro USD buyers as well if ATR lines up. Aussie dollar CAD. I feel like this will be a nice sell level, to be fair. How many pips did that do? Only just 100. Okay, I mean, we can keep it there as a potential level. Let's see. And it does line up right now. So that is a potential level, but it's not done the most amount of pips, which is a little bit concerning. Possible alignment. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it looks really nice. So we have Aussie dollar CAD sells. Nice. Aren't you concerned about news while trading in the daily time frame? Yeah, of course. But I mean, I'm taking 1-2 trades a week, so it's not like I have to sit there and watch it through news or like sit there and be super aware of news. All I'll do is in the morning, I'll check. I mean, it's all sent through the Discord now, so you guys don't even have to use the website. Oh god, that's a bit trippy. But if you just go to the trading the Forex section, you go to news, and it's sent. It's sent every day. Oh, FOMC is today. That's interesting. But yeah, every single day it'll send you the news and when it's releasing. So all I'll do is I'll quickly check this, see what's happening. If there's some news to do with, you know, a pair that I'm potentially interested in, I won't trade it. I will happily trade it after news, or if I think, you know, take profit could be hit before news releases, yeah, sure, I'll go for it. Obviously that depends on multiple things, but if it taps after news, obviously depending on if the move is still being pushed by news. If it isn't, then I'll probably take the trade. If it is still being influenced, like that Aussie dollar pair, AJ last week, we saw news release, it dumped. I wouldn't have been willing to take the trade, but then because it started ranging for 5 hours, to me, those flows are gone, and Aussie dollar isn't being controlled by that. Obviously the fundamentals. So I was willing to take that trade, and then it fucking dumped. I'm guessing it wasn't due to that same news release. I'd be very surprised if it was. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Aussie, whatever this is, Aussie Swiss worked a treat with the low, but I mean, there's no ATR or anything, so I wasn't really taking it. We do have that, which pretty much lines up. It's 100 pips bang on again, which isn't too nice. I wouldn't be willing to trade it because it's Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is... No, I'm okay. The other one doing 100 pips, yeah, sure. We can risk it on Aussie CAD, but Aussie Swiss, no thanks. Way too slow. Way too slow. Aussie JPY, there isn't much here now that failed. I wouldn't be willing to go for anything there. Even the high. I'd go for this one up here, but there's nothing there at all. Aussie Enter D, we have a few different levels. We've got this one. We've got that one. We've obviously got the swing up here. We've got this one. This one's worked. This one has done a nice pullback. I don't think there was anything there. There was fib. I mean, not fib. There was ATR just below, which was like 4 pips below. So you could have gotten a safe entry, to be fair, but I don't know if you would have got tagged in that or not. But nice, that worked. What do we have now? Could we see a nice juicy fib lining up with something? We do indeed. Jesus Christ. We must have taken that trade, right? Aussie NZD. Either way, I'm probably willing. I mean, it's created equal lows. I can't hear you for the music. All you need to do is just right click it and turn it down, or click mute. That's all you have to do. See you later, Gimo. Yeah, we did take it. Okay, beautiful, because that was a bloody clean trade. I don't know if we're willing to take it again. It's failed to create lower lows. but it has still, you know, given a similar pullback. I don't know. I'm not massively keen, but it is a decent level and it lines up with the fib, so it is valid. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let me just quickly ping that as a nice little red one. That's sell. Yep. Beautiful. Next, let's have a look. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Absolutely nothing here at all. Not interested in that. This is the only level to be interested in. That one down there. And this could be a potential sell eventually, but nowhere near at the minute. You've got the high up here. That's it. NZD CAD. That. But yeah, it's an absolute degen move. It was the break and retest, which was really nice. It tapped a lower retest. Right now, we've got this one down here, which could be a potential trade. No, it couldn't, unless we see ATR NU. Okay, we're almost there. So yeah, I don't really see anything right now. I'm just going to leave that one. NZD Swiss. Again, this price action is terrifying. Not even looking at it. NJ. Where's NU? Okay, there. Ooh. NU. 61. Guessing it's like this or something. NJ. We do have that low down here. And we have the high. And apart from that, we don't really have much else. Fib. We got that. Nope, not really lining up with anything. This one isn't really valid. No. So there isn't much going on in NJ, to be honest. We just have to wait for a potential ATR to line up. That's it. Would you take that level? I'll have a look in the second waveframe. It's on the next one, so we'll go over it. But this could be a potential level if we see a further push up. This one's very nice. So yeah, nothing on NJ. NU. Okay. Right, let's see. Oh, you better not be pointing to that one. No, you can't be pointing at that one. So one thing, right? One way to stop you taking stupid levels is don't draw any of your shit. Don't turn off the ATR. Turn off the ATR and also don't draw a fib. First, start off by drawing your levels. Of course, you're not going to draw like, okay, this tiny one, this one, this one, this tiny one, this one. You're only going to draw the decent ones. So draw them first. That. I wouldn't even be willing to go for that. You know, this. Maybe. And now draw your fib. Right? And if it's not on there, you can't trade it. Because otherwise, you're going to draw your fib. You're going to go, oh, you know what? Yeah, that looks all right. No, it doesn't. It looks shit. It looks absolutely shit. It's just you're convincing yourself that it's a good trade because a 61 fib lines up. So yeah, I'd 100% recommend you draw your levels first, because then, yeah, you force yourself to only take the levels you actually initially draw. I got 0.62722. 0.62. Yeah, this level. Yeah. That's fair. Oh, it's only just 100 pips. This break and retest worked last week, but it missed by a few pips. It's a beautiful 50 fib retest. Missed by like 4 pips with an L. Yeah, that's just going to have to be an ATR trade. I don't think there's going to be anything there. We'll see. So yeah, nothing on NZD USD. USD CAD. I'm not willing to go for that, but I would be willing to go for that. This could be potential alignment with something. Let's see if that fib lines up with anything. Okay, pretty much bang on 61. Just above, like 5 pips. So, yep, that is a valid level. We could go for that, potentially see it this week. No. Maybe, unless the US dollar has a really nice week this week. We got sells. Nothing on that. Nothing. Aussie US dollar, nothing. Okay. USD, oh yeah, sorry, sells. USD Swiss. Let's have a look. How are you guys in the YouTube doing? There's still quite a few people in here, but there's only like 2 or 3 different people talking. I got fib on it. I don't know about that fib. I don't know. I think that's a very, very big fib that's just trying to be forced. I don't know. Yeah. I personally wouldn't use that. Unless it was lining up with one of the big swing levels. Yeah, sure, you can use a longer term fib. But if you're trying to line up this dinky level with a massive swing fib, nah. I'd only use a huge swing fib if you're looking for like one of these ones or that one. Not like, because you've got this, right? You've got that. And then within these moves, you have all this. And you're trying to find this with that fib. You should be finding this with that fib. Make sense? I mean, that's my opinion, at least. Of course, you guys, that's not the official way to trade. There is no right way. But that's how I would do it personally. So if I was looking for a fib to line up with one of these little intra moves, I would only draw the fib of this actual move. I wouldn't draw the big fib. I'd only draw the big fib if we're looking for one of these big swings to line up. That's how I would do it anyway. Of course, I'm not always... I mean, you guys can backtest it, it may work. Hope we ain't seen a lot of forced potential trades. Don't get caught out. Yes, indeed, don't get caught out. My USD card hit on Friday, so I didn't take it. I'm interested to see where it goes on market open. So, oh, that's a bit zoomed in. Decent level. It's a 4-hour level. Yeah, that's nice. Did you get... Wait. Hold on. Did you get tapped in here? Or did you get tapped in here? Hold on a minute. Did you get tapped in this first bit or the second bit? Missed by 1 pip. What? And you decided to re-get in on the second tap? YOLO. He replies with YOLO. No chance. The trade's already worked, Surgical. Why are you entering that again? Bro, the trade has tapped into your level, worked by a ridiculous amount, and you're going to give it... I mean, fair play. YOLO, yeah, I guess. But no chance. I ain't risking my capital on that. It's already provided massive pullback. Unless, you know, it dumps and does even further, and then you draw a new fib and it lines up or something. Sure. But no chance. The trade's already won. I ain't doing that. That is super risky. 1 second, KY. I'll answer in a sec. How do you trade only with fib? I trade with fib and ATR and levels and stuff. But yeah, pretty much mainly fib. Watching on the big screen, trying to get the baby to sleep. Who says men can't multitask? Beautiful, love it. Should get the kid a little iPad to whack in his little cot. Stick Leon on to teach him to trade. Projects. What can we do? You got like Project Mbappe and stuff. Project Trader. Project Forex Trader. Teaching from young. ATR is this little squiggly line that you see. I'm making a little TikTok video on it tomorrow. On how and what the ATR is. How do I turn the music up? Here. Bull, watch my thing. Go to the little lo-fi radio. Right click it or click it on your phone. Either click mute or just turn the volume down. Yeah? You should be all good. How do you get your trading view background gray? Right click. Settings. There we go. Canvas. Background. Pick any color you... Oh my... pick any color you want. Oh wow. These are some bright colors. Oh, I really want to change my colors now. Whoa. You can get some crazy colors. Oh no. Sorry if you got epilepsy. Anyway. Seizure 1. Yeah, epilepsy. No, seizure. Yeah, no, epilepsy. Yeah, that's the one. Anyway. USD Swiss. How big is that move? 130 for USD Swiss. Okay, fair enough. I won't criticize. Yeah, that's a wide zone though. And I'm guessing this most recent one doesn't. Oh my god, yeah, it does. Okay, never mind. Yeah, that lines up. Yeah, that's okay. Fair play. And I won't be willing to go for the high. So let me just mark that out quickly. USD Swiss sells. Yep. UJ, what do we have? Fib doesn't line up. You got that level. Not willing to go for it. I don't like it. You got these two very iffy levels and that. I'm not really seeing anything I like. How long do you trade and how long you are profitable? I have been trading for 4 years and 5 months. And I've been profitable, like, I mean, I've been consistently break even for like 2 years. Consistently profitable, I'd say since towards the start of last year. I mean, I went full time like last April. So yeah. And I finished last year up 44%. That's based on 2% risk per trade. So finished pretty nice. That's obviously with low, like, playing it safe. I ain't a degen trader who takes 10 trades a week. I think I took 50 to 60 trades last year. So it worked out 1 a week with 2% risk, average 1 to 2% risk. And that was just with 1-to-1, by the way. That was just basic 1-to-1 trades, and we finished up 42% for the year. Crazy. What do you think this year? Now we have ATR and 1 APS. I know. I'm fucking excited. I'm breaking retest. Oh yeah, it's coming this year. I'm so excited. CAD Swiss. I'm not willing to. I think I'm gonna get rid of CAD Swiss. It just moves. Yeah, you know what? We are officially getting rid of CAD Swiss. This shit is slow. Wait, are we? 1 sec. Oh wait, no, 1 second. Actually wait. Oh wait, no, I think that's been dramatic. That's actually not too bad. Is it? If we took a sell from here. No, I probably won't even trade it anyway, but you know, we'll keep it there. Last one, CAD JPY. I'm definitely not willing to take a trade off of the highs just because of this weird little consolidation phase it's been in. But we have been set up for a nice potential buy. If it does break the highs and comes back down, I'll happily take this buy. Happily. And apart from that, we have this one down here, and then, you know, that's about it. So that is about it. That is all the analysis done. I'll quickly, I'll go over some gold and oil because I am going to start backtesting them very soon. You're saying removing CAD Swiss at the same time and backtesting it. How's it going? How's your CAD Swiss backtesting? 150%. 44% up last year. A man still wants to buy a Citron. Yeah, but I mean, 44%, yeah, is good, but I only got funded like mid-year. So I didn't really exactly make much, and I didn't get funded with like, you know, fucking $500,000 straight away. I only got like decently funded towards like the 3rd, 4th quarter of last year. So yeah, I've made an okay amount of money. I mean, I've made like, I'm not going to exactly say how much I've made, but I've made like, you know, just average job. Bit more than average job. But yeah, if I would have been funded from the start of the year with like 200, 400k, 42% then, yeah, you're talking like minimum 100k a year, like 150k a year. Or after profit splits, what, 160 minus like 32, so about 130k. Damn, that would have been a nice year if I was funded. Gold worked a treat. For the move down, 61 and the 50 were these two levels. 2060 worked so goddamn nice. Did like 300 pips. So GG if anyone caught it. Yeah, apart from that, there isn't much on gold. You got the 61 fib. Silver, you did have this level. It, I mean, technically worked, but missed. Yeah, don't really have anything there now. You got low. And oil, you got a few levels coming up, but nothing crazy. Yeah, don't really find many decent setups. It's like once every few weeks you'll find an alright one. Like here. Here's a new potential level. This one here. On oil. So that could be a potential trade. Hey, how hard would it be to get started as a newcomer? I know very little. Is it worth learning now that I'm 20? I feel like it should. Feel like I should have started in high school. What? No chance. That's like saying like I want to start a business, but I feel like it's too late because I'm 20 years old. What? Bro, 20 is so young. Are you mad? You could be 50 years old and start learning anything. Bro, age does not matter at all. Apart from in some context, of course. Nah, trading, learning a new sport, new job, new skill, new hobby. Doesn't matter about the age, bro. You can be like 50, 40, 60, 70, 20... 15, doesn't matter. You start learning now, yeah, but just know like Forex isn't some magical little thing where you just make millions. It's the exact same as any other business. It takes fucking failure and hard ass work. You will lose money and not make any money and lose more money, and it'll just keep on going. And you'll feel like shit. You'll want to give up. You will give up. You'll then come back again. It won't be working. And that's going to happen plenty of times. So just be prepared for that. But as long as you... I mean, you can get lucky if you start off with a good community, a good mentor, a good strategy. You can speed up that process from like 3 years. Like I'd say on average to be consistently profitable, 2, 3, 4 years. I'd say 2 to 4 years. But I know some people in, for example, who not gonna flex at all. You're just sending yourself a sub. Thank you, man. Hopefully I'm not gonna lose my sub right now because I'm not gonna flex. But some people that have been in my community, I obviously teach for free. I don't charge anything or whatever. But some people literally started trading last year, and they're already funded and they're already making an income. And obviously they've still got a lot of work to do. They're not exactly making millions. They're making, you know, a few hundred here, maybe 1,000, 2,000. But there's still a lot of work to do. But they've, like, I took 3 to 4 years before I started making money. They've been doing it for a year. They're already funded. They're already so knowledgeable. Their psychology, their mindset, everything is so much more developed than mine was after a year. Jesus Christ, I was in shambles after a year or two. I was still doing terrible. I didn't get funded until like my 3rd year trading. But like we built such a good community here. Obviously, I'm guessing you found me from YouTube. In a Discord, like the community in Discord is crazy, man. It is so solid. Like everyone in here is so nice, helping each other, pushing each other. Sending sells, people will help you out. Got any questions, people will help you out. There's no fucking toxic stuff. If there is toxic stuff, I just kick them. I ban them anyway. They get one warning. If they don't follow that warning, that's it, done. So if you can find yourself a decent mentor who doesn't have an ego and doesn't care about just making loads of money, and you can find yourself a good community and a good strategy, bro, you can speed up that process so much. You can literally... within a year, you can be very knowledgeable and know exactly what you're doing. I can't promise that you're going to make money, but yeah, you can definitely improve your knowledge. Don't mind, I'm going to stick around for your success. I appreciate it. And I found you through Bulls and Bears. Oh my God, I forgot his name. The kid, what's his name? Fuck. Oh my God, I completely forgot his name. Who owns Bulls and Bears? Bonker, that's the one. Hey man, what are your thoughts on HFT? I don't really have any thoughts. I just use a HFT to pass a funded account. Nova. That's all I really know. I don't know about if they're profitable long term or anything. I just know you can use them to pass a funded account. That's about it, really. Yeah. For all the guys in YouTube, feel free to drop a like, drop a subscribe. We've got more videos coming very soon. We only have one video uploaded right now, but trust me, they're coming soon. Next one is tomorrow, and I'm also going to upload another one next week, because technically I was meant to upload tomorrow's today, so it's like one a week, but I missed out a little bit. And I have all the live streams on here as well. That one got 350 views, by the way. Buzzing. 350 is pretty good. The average like 200, so 350 is pretty damn cool. I'm pretty happy with that. Wait, you guys? Oh, just realized you guys haven't been able to see my new little fairy light thing. Look how cool that is, by the way. I'm just gonna go full screen for a second. Look how cool that is. Just to add to the the ambiance and stuff. Look how sexy that is. With this light as well. Come on, that lighting is pretty god tier. That is pretty nice. You know what that is? It's like a little plant jar, and I stuffed a bunch of fairy lights into it. Bro, TikTok hacks, honestly. I didn't have any I needed like a warm light, and I didn't have any. So I went on TikTok and found a little some girl doing life hacks and stuff. She was showing fairy lights in a little plant pot, and I was like, fuck yes. I have both of those things, and I don't have a light, so I'm going to use that. I was in a paid Discord from a guy on YouTube whose strategy is just whack. Yeah, I mean, you'll find a lot. I don't know. I don't know. Most strategies work. Some of them are a lot more confusing than others, but I think it's just obviously down to personal preference. I tried learning ICT. I don't really like it. Just because I prefer super simple stuff. I don't really want to spend a few hours a day on the charts, or all of London session or start of London session. I just want to be able to beginning of the week do my analysis like I do now, chilling in a Discord, bit of music on, people ask questions, teach them. It's fucking easy. That's it. 5 minutes a day. That's about it. This is so much better and less stressful. Yeah, tell me about it. Where do you suggest start my first lesson or introduction to Forex and trading? Aha! Well, haha, glad you would ask, because we have some courses here. If you click this, Forex course, technical analysis course. These are the two things you need. If you click it, let's see if it works. Yes, it does. It goes to this. Introduction to Forex. It'll go through the basics, and on each one, you just click it, and it'll take you to a YouTube video. Not my video, but it'll take you to a YouTube video. And there's also a website if you prefer to read. And it goes through pretty much most things. And once you've gone through the Forex one and watched all the videos, you can then go to the little tech one. This one is chunky. And this just goes over all the basics of different indicators. And you can see now. Time frame, psychology, orders, trading view, how to use trading view, read signals. I don't think that's really... Oh, God, I need to change that. Technical, fundamental, sentiment, day trading, swing trading, price action, trends, market structure. I drew all of these, actually. Hey, support resistance, patterns, psychological levels, SMC, imbalances, order blocks, Wyckoff, elite waves, Fibonacci, come on. Maze, volume, MACD. Oh, literally, you got loads of different things. Oh, look, the old backtesting document. Ah, that's cute. Anyway, yeah. But yeah, that's all in the Discord. Again, guess what? For completely free. I got go. Talk later. Oh, thanks, Joey. You're the Australian version. Australian version of a goat. Oh yeah, kangaroo. But thank you so much, man. You completely nullified any anxiety, bro. There's no anxiety. Don't worry, bro. I know like social media has made it so much more difficult for just young, I mean, not difficult, but easier to get in to like, you know, business and entrepreneurial shit and trading and all that stuff. It's made it way easier and way more inviting. However, at the same time, it's also put crazy ass social pressures on everyone, even me. Like, think, right, all these millionaire kids you see on TikTok and stuff are like, oh, I'm fucking 20 million net worth at the age of 19 or 16 or even like 12 and they're like millionaires, which is ridiculous. And then you'll sit there feeling shit because you're 20 years old, 22 years old, and you haven't made 10 million yet. May as well go full screen for this little emotional stuff. Yeah, you're sat there all emotional because you haven't made 20 million, you haven't got a house, you haven't got, you know, Lamborghinis, 10 girls, and you're 23 years old. But that's that weird pressure of having to make a lot of money whilst you're young has only been built through shithole social media that force feeds you all that stuff. But most of you guys think that because you see like 10 different 19-year-olds on TikTok making a load of money, that's how the world goes. It's fucking not. You're only seeing the 0.0001% of people on TikTok. All these successful people you see, you only see those because the unsuccessful people aren't on there. They don't make content. Well, some of them might do, but the only content on there is from the successful people trying to teach the unsuccessful. So if you're just constantly force-fed like, oh, you need to, this is how you should do this, this is how you should do this, I was a millionaire at this age, I was a millionaire at this age, you're only seeing all these rich, successful people, and you're like, oh shit, see, everyone is successful, everyone's making money, and I'm not. Nah, they're not at all. Like, what was the one with, was it Grant Cardone? No. It was like, it was with, well, he's a comedian, the American comedian. I don't know what he's called. I forgot his name. But he's talking about, like, what you force yourself to see is the only thing you will see. Like, if you look around in this room right now, okay, and you say, okay, I want you to find the color red. How many things can you find that are red? Right? And you'll say, okay, that. And then when I ask you how many yellow things were there in the room, you're going to say, oh shit, I don't know. But that's because you're only looking for red. Right? So if you're... Fuck, I just confused the shit out of myself. But you get the point. If you're only looking for something, you're only going to see that.